channel. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to do something entirely different from the usual. Today I'm going to be unboxing my new ring light. So I got this ring light from Simbi Props on Instagram, and it was approximately $45. Yeah, and it's relatively cheap compared to the normal ring lights that they sell outside, or I don't know, somewhere. But then it's an 8-inch ring light and it comes with a tripod stand. So today I am going to be showing you guys how I unbox my ring light and mount my ring light on my tripod stand. And you can see from the way I sound, you can tell from the way I sound that I'm super duper excited that okay, yeah, I got a new ring light. And just because I want to make my videos lit, I want to make my videos interesting, my videos top notch for you guys to see and to enjoy. And in case you haven't noticed, I have my ring on, and I just did my manicure. I'm sure you guys like the color. Ooh. And if you don't, stop eating, because it's actually very nice. So I just did my manicure and I'm feeling super beautiful. And I also just made my hair, and then for some reason I am looking super beautiful. And so guys, let us get into the video. So guys, here is my package. I just got it delivered from Gig Logistics, and as you can see, it's all enclosed. And right now I am going to open it up and show you guys the contents. So here we go. I'm cutting with my scissors. Cutting it open with my scissors. I hope you guys are watching Big Brother, because I am, and I am enjoying the show, even though this year's Big Brother seems to be very boring, kind of, but I'm still enjoying the show. So you guys can try to watch Big Brother. Okay, so here is my ring light package, ring light, and here is the tripod stand that comes with the ring light. Ouch, that was deep. And here's the tripod that comes with the ring light. So let's start with the tripod. Let me open it up for you guys to see. Get some put on my face. Ooh, interesting. So it comes in a black package, or whatever this is, and it comes with a remote control, a Bluetooth remote control, I guess. We'll be saying what that's for later. Then now, ooh, yummy. So here is my okay, it comes with a phone holder. That's the tripod, comes with a phone holder. Here is a tripod stand. Ooh, interesting. Wow, I'm loving this. Whoa, it's a 1.5 meter tripod stand, and it's extendable, I think. Whoa, interesting. This comes up. Ooh, this is interesting. Oh, it's even extendable. Wow, this is super tall, guys. Okay, how do we do this? Okay, let me put it back inside. I am going to be showing you guys how it's gonna be like after I'm still trying to figure this out. Okay, I guess I have to unhook it a bit. Anyway guys, tripod stand, I think I'm gonna have to set it aside for now and focus on the second package. Don't fall, baby. Okay, so my ring light, like I said, the tripod comes with a phone holder. I think that goes here. The phone holder goes here. That's if you want to use the tripod alone with your phone to record your videos. You put this here and turn it then, but that's not the case here, as I am trying to fix my ring light here with my tripod stand. So I'm just going to set this aside, and the Bluetooth remote too, it works with the tripod stand. I'm going to set that aside, and now I'm about to open my ring light for you guys to see. It's an 8-inch ring light, like I said earlier, and it's okay. Let me just open. Woo! This comes with oh, interesting. Wow, this comes with a phone holder also, as you guys can see. And here we go, my ring light. It's USB enabled, as you guys can see. I have to buy a box, like a box so socket, or what do I call it, where I plug this, or I plug it directly to my laptop or to my power bank or to anything that has electricity that could power it. It has a remote. The ring light, okay, let me just, the ring light has a remote, and this I guess is to increase the brightness, this is to change the light mode, this is to power it on, and this is to decrease the brightness. So the ring light, it comes with the phone holder. The ring light comes with the phone holder, and this I think is for the ring light. It goes into the ring light. Okay, yes, it does. It goes into the ring light, so it comes in and out like this. I am going to be setting it up for you guys to see anyways. Also, the ring light comes with, what is this? Okay, yeah, the ring light comes with this thing. I don't know what to call it, but I guess that is where I will insert this and mount it on the tripod. I will insert it into the bottom of the ring light and mount it on the tripod. So I'm going to be setting the ring light up now for you guys to see how I do it. So first I will go with putting the phone holder into the ring light and turning it. Oh, go down a bit. Well, it's kind of hard. So I am turning it, guys. I'm turning. Oh, sorry guys, I'm turning it, and this is kind of hard. Oh, interesting. This is the maximum, so this is hard. This is already stiff, guys. So the phone holder goes along with this. Guys. So first I would unhook the phone holder, remove this, then put it into this, then insert my phone holder on this place and screw it, and I would okay, sorry guys, and I'm going to screw, oh god, I am going to screw it. I'm going to screw it until it's hard. Screw, okay, I think that is hard enough. Like, it's no staying. Okay, so guys, this is how it's like. I can choose to raise it up or put it down, extend this here. Okay, so the other bulb, this bulb, I am going to put it at the bottom of the ring light. I'm going to put it at the bottom of the ring light. This will enable it to stand on the tripod. I am going to put this here and screw it, make it hard so my ring light doesn't fall off. Okay, as you guys can see, there is a bulb here that allows the ring light go at 360 degrees, so that is pretty interesting. So I think that is basically all for the ring light. Yeah, that is all for the ring light. That is all for the ring light. So now I'm going to be mounting it on my tripod stand, guys. So I'm just gonna have to stand up to be able to do that. Okay, I could actually do this. Oh, I put the ring light. I guess I have to stand up to be able to insert this, so just hold on a bit, guys. So guys, now I have my tripod stand and I'm ready to mount my light on my tripod stand, guys. So
baby, you're my everyday Valentine, Valentino, bag it out. Tiffany fingers, bring them out. 22 inches, let it down. 22 pounds, get it, I said it, spin it, never regret it. When you ready, just tell me, ready. Are you ready? From the stairs to your red, put your ass in your lashes, you have it. From the stairs to your red, put your ass in your lashes, you have it. Baby, you my baby, my biatch, my biatch.
settled, 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 settled. Okay. Oh, shit. I'm going to tighten this too, so the ring light doesn't move. I think this is tight. I'm just going to tighten this also, so it doesn't move. Just going to tighten everything so it doesn't move. So now guys, my ring light is ready. My ring light, I could unscrew this and maybe it like go this way, or I could bend it if I want to. Okay, so now I'm going to test my ring light to see how bright it is, because to see how bright it is, and I'm going to be using my power bank to power the ring light for now. Like I said, it comes with a USB port. I'm going to insert it into my ring light. As you can see, the light is on. So now we'll do this. Whoa, this is super bright, very bright. That is the warm light, the mixture of the bright light and the other light. This is the white light, yellow light. Okay, off. Okay, that was actually super bright. So now I'm going to be testing the lights, and on myself. I'm going to show you how the light is going to affect my videos and stuff like that, blah blah blah. So I don't know how else to put it, but then I'm going to test the light and see how it works. So now, guys, I'm going to be testing the ring light now. I already have my phone mounted on the ring light, and now I'm going to be using the remote control of on the ring light. I am going to be turning it on now. Whoa, this is super bright. This is the warm light, like the mixture of the white light and the yellow light. I am going to be doing this now. I'm reducing the intensity of the light now. This is the lowest, and now I'm increasing it. This is the highest. I look really yellow, guys. I look really yellow, but this is really so bright. Now I'm going to be changing the light. Now this is the white light. Oh god, I look really white, guys. Oh, really white. So now I'm going to be decreasing the light, going down, guys. Ooh, I look super beautiful, guys. So this is the lowest the white light can go, and the highest it could go. And now this is the yellow light. Oh my god, I look really yellow, guys. So now I'm going to be decreasing the intensity. Now this is the lowest the yellow light can go, and this is the highest it could go. God, I look really yellow, but this light is really nice. Like, it's really nice, like extremely nice, guys. Now I've turned it off, turning it on, changing it to my white light. Ooh, guys. Ooh, this is beautiful, guys. I kind of look really yellow, kind of. I'm just going to decrease a bit. Guys. Okay, that's me being goofy, but this light is really nice, extremely nice. Like, really, like I said, the tripod comes with its own phone holder and Bluetooth remote. Just gonna open this. Bluetooth remote. I guess this is for taking pictures. Like, if I have my phone mounted on the tripod stand and then I just want to take my pictures, I could just use the remote, click on the remote, and then I have my snapshot. Boom, boom. So here is the Bluetooth remote that comes with the tripod. The phone holder also comes with the tripod, and obviously the remote comes with the ring light. And I just want to increase it because I like how I look in the light. I look really beautiful. Okay, I think I'm going to turn up the lights in the house, turn up the lights I'm using, so I'll show you guys how bright this light is. I'm going to turn up the lights in the room now, the other lights in the room, and just going to use the light on the ring light, so for you guys to see how bright the ring light is, something like that. So now, guys, it's just the ring light I'm using now, the light from the ring light I'm using now, and then I'm increasing it. You can see the light is so bright, it's super bright, guys, and it's really nice. This is the white light. I'm going to change the mode of light now. This is the yellow light, and then it's just the white, it's just the light that is on right now in the room. All of the lights in the room is off, and just the ring light. See the yellow light, it's really bright. And this is the white light. No, this is the mixture of the white light and the yellow light together, and it's really nice. But I like the white light the most because it's really nice. And guys, this is really beautiful, extremely beautiful, and I really like the light, and it's really going to help me in my videos, help me make my pretty videos, and make it more safe for you guys to see. So guys, that's it. God, I'm just feeling this light, and I'm just feeling myself all together, and I look so beautiful. That will be all for today, just showing you guys the light. So if you really learned something in this video, I would like you guys to hit the like button, and remember to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching this video, and like I said, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so now. I think the subscribe button is here. I don't think I'll ever get where that subscribe button is. I think it's here or here. I don't know, one of the two, but just ensure you hit the subscribe button, and also give this video a thumbs up, and also remember to comment on other videos you'd like me to do. And now that I have a very perfect ring light, my video's gonna be lush, my video's gonna be beautiful, my video's gonna be lit. So, thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you guys for taking your time to watch this video, and like I said, please remember to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel if you have the opportunity to see this. And also remember to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and all around. My handles is going to pop up on the screen right now. Instagram Oluwafemi Tomi, and Twitter Miss B. Also remember to follow my boyfriend on Instagram and sweeter. But then remember, do not slide in my boyfriend's DM, because if you do, I'ma kill you in a way you don't even expect, guys. So in the description box you find the handles there. Also, I'm going to put the link to Simbi Props on Instagram, where I got the live from, in the description box. You can just click on the link and then place your order and buy your own ring light, guys, and I'm sure you will really enjoy the ring light. Like I said, thank you guys for watching, and in case you're just watching the videos now and then you can see my hands, you can see I got my ring on, and then I just did my manicure, guys. So I'm kind of like feeling myself. In addition with the lights, I'm kind of looking so beautiful. My hair, yeah, I just made my hair too, and thank you guys for watching, and have a lovely day, and see you in my next video.